The curious mind always finds a way out of the problem. It is not the objective of the problem that is exciting, but the journey. Education is not about earning a degree, but to experience the journey. The career of formulas, concepts, and ideas cannot be studied, but trained. To train such great innovative minds, you need unique skills that only Indira Ganesan Educational Institution carries. Creating some of the greatest minds of the decades who have risen to great technicians, mechanical engineers, problem solvers, out-of-the-box thinkers, Indira Ganesan Educational Institution takes pride in creating technicians that contribute for the betterment of the society. Study says that number of engineers in India has proliferated over the past recent years, but it also says the demand for good engineers is always high too. The world is running towards artificial intelligence, automatic car, and aesthetic lifestyle. We are marching towards machine for perfection to the decimal level. At Indira Ganesan School, they nurture you with the curiosity to create a pentacle of energy that gets transformed to create something new. Indira Ganesan School gives you a 360-degree learning experience. Every student is treated uniquely and trained individually. They value your time and money that is invested in. Students from all over the world come to Indira Ganesan School for their dynamic method of teaching and secured environment. Indira Ganesan College of Engineering caters to different streams of engineering and gives a wide variety of choice for students to choose from. Engineering involves concepts and reasoning. It demands creative, imaginative, and logical thinking. The world changes constantly, so too does engineering. So, teamwork is a key ingredient of a successful career in engineering, and you'll be working with the smartest and most interesting of like-minded professionals. At IGC, every engineer studying here is always curious to learn more and develops a bent of mind to discover something new. Great technicians need great leaders to guide them and keep them protracted in finishing the project. Every working day is different. Creating the best solutions to complex problems also requires close collaboration and clear communication with customers, suppliers, and fellow engineers. That is possible only with great managers. Indira Ganesan Educational Institution takes pride in creating some of the renowned management candidates for the industry. With an MBA degree from IGC, you would come out as an industry-triggered and well-planned leader. To train your mind, your body has to be tuned. Sports is one of the most fun and energetic activity at IGC. Indira Ganesan College for Paramedical Sciences is one distinguished college where healthcare and humanity is redefined. Equal importance is given to teaching, practical applications, entrepreneurship, and self-discipline. The demand for allied healthcare workers is on the rise globally. paramedical courses trains students and turns them into skilled and qualified allied healthcare workers and technicians. Along with doctors and nurses, allied healthcare workers also play an integral role in the smooth functioning of the healthcare industry. We build them the confidence to excel in their chosen professional career and push them for excellence. We maintain a collegial, diverse and ethical environment, preparing them for global standards. We conduct industry standard research in all departments covering all aspects for paramedical challenges. Indira Ganesan Educational Institutions takes pride in kindling great minds that contribute for the betterment of the society. We believe in one motive, that every student is unique and once guided properly, they make their mark in the world.
Indira Ganesan institutions strive towards value-based education with the purpose to contribute to the society through excellence in emerging areas of engineering, education, management and medical science.
Indira Ganesan Educational Institutions, Trichy.